Hello and welcome to Project with Jagdish. Today we are going to look at a 5-layered CNN algorithm based deep learning project where our aim is to build a CNN based deep learning model for prediction of pneumonia positive and negative cases based on X-ray images that we provide to the model. Today's project is built with the help of Python programming language. Other libraries that we use for are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, Keras and TensorFlow. Also Anaconda was used for the environment control purpose, and WebApp is built with the help of a Streamlit library. Now let's go for the demonstration where we will be selecting the images randomly and giving it to the model for the prediction purpose. Okay. Now going towards the demonstration folder where we have kept the randomly selected 6 images from the dataset itself, which are unlabeled, which we have changed the labels also, guys. As you can see, I will be selecting the images randomly and we will be checking here. Okay, as you can see, our model is predicting that the image of X-ray that we have provided belongs to the normal case, that is pneumonia negative case, guys. We will be taking some another image to check the accuracy again. Okay, now our model is saying that it is confirmed that 99.79% this image belongs to a pneumonia positive case, guys. Again, we will be selecting some random image. Okay, again it is 99.77 confirmed that this X-ray also belongs to a pneumonia positive case. Okay, and we will be selecting this last image for the demonstration purpose, and again you can see our model is predicting that 86.42% confirmed that this is a normal case X-ray image. Hope you like this project, and the code for the project will be available at my GitHub repository, whose link will be provided in the description below. If you are looking for the project on a specific problem statement in a field of data science, AI, ML, DL, do let us know in the comment box below. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for the more updates on the latest projects and articles. We will be meeting soon with the new projects on the same channel. Thank you for watching this video.